Hi, I'm Niels.
Sean?
I'm Kyle.
We're the team that put together Vermont Tech's first ball droid prototype, the VT-BB1.
We're all electromechanical engineering senior students, and we'd like to show you our project.
This is an Arduino Mega. It's the microcontroller that controls the bottom half of the ball, so all of the movement devices. This is our USB host shield that we plugged on top of the Arduino Mega. You can see the Bluetooth dongle that's plugged into it that allows us to communicate with the PS4 controller. We have a 4-channel motor shield. This plugs on top of the USB host shield and allows us to control the three DC motors down in the base. This is the stepper motor shield. This is what allows us to control the head and rotate it from right to left. The microcontroller that controls the head is this Arduino Uno, which the stepper motor plugs into. And then after that we have a Raspberry Pi 3. This was stored in the head and controlled the sensors and any communication between the Android device and the rest of the ball droid. This is the first prototype of the 3-wheel drive mechanism that we built for inside the droid. We chose a 3-wheel design with omni wheels because it allows us to go in any direction at any point in time, regardless of which way the chassis is facing. This allowed for a more nimble robot than if we had chosen a 2- or 4-wheel drive mechanism.
Here's the stepper motor driver wired to the Arduino Uno. The 4 wires you see here simply send a signal from the Uno to the driver telling the motors how to turn. There's a potentiometer wired into the analog input here that simply simulates the input that we would receive from the PS4 controller. Here's it all put together.
This is the inner chassis of the VT-BB1. The center shaft holds a plate on top with several neodymium magnets mounted to hold the head on top of the ball as the ball rolls around. That is mounted on a series of ball bearings in a race to reduce friction as we turn the head from left to right. And the brackets are bent outward to allow for a maximum contact area of the omni wheels to the inside of the ball. This is the head unit. It's currently rotating on 3/8 inch ball casters. On top is the Raspberry Pi 3 in the black protective casing, and a breadboard that connects to the GPIO pins. That's hooked up to a stepper motor which does a 30-degree sweep, and that has the HCSR04 ultrasonic rangefinder on top. And right now you can see the neodymium magnets that correspond to the ones that hold the head in place.